Can you guys believe this is going to be the last new products video of 2019? If you guys haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and turn your notifications on so you know when we are releasing new videos. We've been doing a bunch of different giveaways and I have a bunch of other content planned for you guys, so I don't want you to miss out, and it lets me know that I'm doing a somewhat decent job of making these videos. We also just added a new function to our website, which is live chat. A lot of you guys have been requesting an easier way to contact us, a faster way. So I'm super excited for you guys to have this option. So if you go onto our website and look on the bottom left-hand corner, there is a little chat icon. When it is available, you can click on that, put in your name, the reason why you're contacting us. You can put your order number, email, and that sort of stuff, and then hit the chat button, and one of the reps will be with you as soon as they can. It shows you what number you are in the queue, how long you've been waiting, and all that sort of stuff. But this is gonna be a great way for you guys to quickly contact us if you guys have questions about an install, a product, or anything of that sort. So again, really excited for you guys to have that alongside our email system. Also, if you're ever wondering what new products are out there for your car, you can head on over to our website, click the New Products tab in the drop-down menu, and there you will see all the most recently added products to our website. This month, we are going to start off with a product that I'm super excited about. It is the Diode Dynamics SS3 fog lights. These are completely plug and play, come with all the mounting hardware you need, and I'm going to go out and say these are going to be the highest performing fog lights that are available for this car. They use Diode's custom engineered TIR optics that collects all of the light from the LEDs and directs it to exactly where you need, while drastically reducing glare and improving the total efficiency. These are going to be so much better than the traditional reflector and projector style fog lights. You basically have two levels to choose from. You have the Sport and the Pro. The Pro is going to be double the amount of total power. I think the Sport comes in at around 1300 lumens and the Pro is around 3000 lumens. You also have two different color options to choose from. You have the white, which is a 6000K color temp, and the yellow, which is a 3000K color temp. These have been extensively tested for long-term operation from -40 degrees all the way up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and they've been run through vigorous vibration, moisture intrusion, and corrosion tests, so you know these are going to stand the test of time being installed on your car. So again, I'm super excited. I'm working with Diode Dynamics to get a set to install on this car so I can show you guys how easy they are to install, how they look like, and most importantly, how they perform, and show you guys that light output. So if you guys want a set for your own, they're available on our website. Another new product I'm pretty hyped about are the Faction Fab F-Spec Performance Lowering Springs. These are going to lower your car 1 inch in the front and 0.8 inches in the rear. That's going to even out that uneven ride height from the factory. Spring rates are 340 pounds per inch in the front and 330 in the rear. They are engineered, tested, and manufactured right here in the US. They come with spring silencers to make sure you don't get any unwanted noise, and they have a 1 million mile warranty. So you know Faction Fab stands behind their products, and if you are looking for a cost-effective way to not only lower your car but improve your handling, definitely look into a set of Faction Fab F-Spec lowering springs. Moving on down the list, we are taking a look at the OLM Dry Carbon Fiber Grill Garnish Overlay. Install super easily with 3M over your stock 2018 grill or the JDM style grill. Goes nicely with a carbon fiber emblem or any other carbon fiber accessories you have on there, maybe a lip or anything of that sort, but a really nice accent, really nice touch for the front end of the car. Another OLM product we have for you guys this time for the back of the car is the rear window vortex generator. This has a nice gloss black finish to it. It mounts to the rear window, as the name suggests, instead of the roof like most other vortex generators. If you're going for something a little smaller, this has a nice subtle appearance to it compared to most other options. Moving back up to the front inside the engine bay here, we actually have the compressive tuning fender shrouds installed on this car, but Parent has come out with their very own ones that are made out of 6061 aluminum. They come with stainless steel hardware to replace the plastic hardware on the car. They're available in either a textured red or black finish or a gloss neon yellow. So if you have other Parent's other neon yellow parts in there, you definitely want to pick this up to add to your collection. Otherwise, if you have any other red or black accents, these will be a nice addition to add to your engine bay. Also for the front of the car, we have the Subaru 2020 JDM DRL bezels. Obviously, there's supposed to be a light fixture here, but I didn't install it because I didn't want to ruin a perfectly good set since these are somewhat expensive, since they're a OEM JDM Subaru part. I will say these probably are my favorite OEM design for the 2018 and newer bumper. I love what they did with it. They made the vents somewhat functional, and obviously you have that pearl black paint. So another great option for you guys. Never would have thought I would be talking about some performance wiper blades, but here we are. We just got in some PIAA SI Tech silicone wipers. These feature a frameless design, so the pressure points are spread throughout the blade for streak-free use. It is an all-season blade, which also means it helps remove any buildup of ice and snow. And the silicone rubber continually reapplies a silicone coating onto your windshield to help aid in streak-free and quiet operation. Last up for this car, if you don't happen to have a set of aftermarket taillights, but you still want to change the look of your taillights, Sticker Fab just came out with their special edition honeycomb smoke taillight tint. So not only do you get that smoked tint look on your reverse and turn signal portion of the taillights, you also have a unique hexagonal pattern throughout the overlay. So if you're looking for something a little bit different, check them out. Now for you BRZ guys out there, I've got two different OLM products for you. One being this guy right here, which we have installed on our car. This is the OLM carbon fiber A-type roof spoiler. It 3Ms to the back window, gives you kind of an aggressive kick out from the roof line of the car and a nice carbon fiber accent. The other OLM products we have are their slimline rain guards. Now these are low profile rain guards that are designed to allow you to crack open your window but not detract from the body lines of the car. So if you're looking for something that's very sleek but still allows you to crack open the window for your vape clouds or whatever it is, this is your best bet. Last few products I have for the BRZ, Faction Fab also has a set of S-Spec performance lowering springs for this car. The drop is the same, so 1 inch in the front and 0.8 in the rear. The spring rates are 230 pounds per inch in the front and 250 pounds per inch in the rear. We also have two new products from HT Autos for this car, one being the fender flares that add 65 millimeters up front and 80 in the rear, and then we have their V2 side skirts. Last but certainly not least, for you Forester guys, I know a lot of you guys complain about me not having any Forester products in these videos, but this month we have the Diode Dynamics SS30 Amber Stage Series light bar. Now this uses the same TIR optics as their fog lights, so you're going to get unmatched performance. Basically have three different options to choose from. You can get a driving pattern, which is going to be a supplement to your high beams. You can get a flood pattern to spread the light as wide and high as possible, or you can get a combo where the inner three lights are going to be driving optics and the outer two will be flood optics. So I am going to be doing an install on this on our Forester. It mounts very nicely behind the bumper, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. This month, this year, 2019, it has been a hell of a year. We're going to say thank you to all of you guys that have shown your support throughout the years. And that being said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. If you saw something you like, I will leave a link to all the products down in the description. And I will see you guys next time.